Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have something fun. I have been having so much fun with the holiday and sharing all my fun holiday finds, gift ideas. I thought I was done with advent calendars, but I was on Macys doing some Black Friday shopping, and they have this 25-day advent calendar. It was half off, so it's listed at $99. I got it for $50. Not sure it would have been worth $99. I know, I happen to know it's mostly smaller samples, but they're all kind of high-end products, so that's kind of good chance. So I think it will be worth it since there's 25 items, but I don't expect to get anything big or great in here. But anyway, if you want to stick around and see what we got in here, then let's get going here. Okay, friends, I do appreciate your support. Thank you to my subscribers. Those of you who would like to subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to just support my channel. I would love it. I'm nearing 1,000. I want to get there quick, so love it if you would help support me in getting there. And so let's get going to this box here and see what it's all about. So it came with a, let's see. Okay, got to get this off. So we have, I hope it's easy to open. Anyway, 25 days right here. And oh, they are the punch. The punch. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm probably going to have to punch. Let's see. I might have to, I don't know if I can do it as you go. Actually, the first one wasn't too bad. So number one, ooh, I have something from my favorite skincare. This is from Caudalie. I'm going to have to wear my glasses again because most of these are small. I can't read everything. So this is from Caudalie, and this is the Vino Perfect. It's brightening eye cream. So anyway, love Caudalie. I can't say enough about it. It is an expensive brand. Because I get so many skincare products, I can't really afford to buy this just on its own. I used to buy it. They'd have sales and stuff. They just don't have as good a sales as they used to. But I love anything from Caudalie. So that was a good first item to open up. Now we're going to find, they have these all over the place. So I don't even know. I'm gonna have to look for two. Two's a bigger opening here. And it looks like we've got a repair shampoo from BB Bond Building Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. It's just a sample. Good for one use, probably. If you have an overnighter or something, it might be a good thing to take. But anyway, so there's that. And number three is from Ahava. It is a body cleansing shower gel. So I like Ahava Beauty. And so this is just a shower gel right there. Decent size, but it would also be good for travel. So there's that. I'm going to see if it's sealed. If it isn't, I'm going to, okay, it's not. Oh, it smells, okay, it smells really, really good. Kind of excited to use that. I think I probably will put it in my travel stuff though. So that was 3. 4, we've got looks like we have is this a lip or I have no idea what this is, you guys. The writing's way too small for me. It's a lip plump from Tarte. Okay, it's really tiny, but once again, it's the lip plump, the lipstick. I love this. I love Tarte. It's real tiny, but once again, that's nice to fit into a purse or whatever. So that was 4, and 5 is a perfume, it looks like. And this is, it's Jo Malone. Haven't heard of this before. Anyway, it's just a small perfume sample from Jo Malone. So excited to try that. Not going to do it right now, but anyway, there's that. Can I just tell you, I've like had it with these opening these boxes, so I went ahead and opened them all. The ones that have the little boxes inside are easy, but these, the tear open, whatever, they're kind of a pain. So anyway, we're at number 6, and in number 6, I have Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. This is a really good product. This is all-in-one lactic acid. It's just a serum, great brand, very pricey. So that was number 6. Number 7, I have, it looks like a sheet mask maybe. Let's see what this is. This is from Borghese Roma, and this is a deep hydration hand sheet mask. Is it hand? Let me see. Yep, it's for hands. So I'm excited about that. I can definitely use that. So big name, whatever, pricey. So that's fun. So let's head over to number 8. And in number 8, we have a tube from, this is Peter Thomas Roth, and it is a firm peeling gel. It says visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting, and sweeping away impurities. So it's kind of sounds something exciting that I'd want to use right away. Great brand. Again, everything in here is going to be great brands. I can tell you that right now. So anyway, we're going to head over to number 9, and 9 is a little thing here we got from Estee Lauder. I love Estee Lauder. You know that. This is from their Revitalizing Supreme line, and this is just a night, they call it a bounce cream. Not sure what that means, but a nighttime use. And I always use their Estee Lauder stuff in my nighttime routine, so I'll just add that one to it. And so number 10, we've got, okay, ooh, fun. So in number 10, we've got from Benefit Cosmetics, we've got the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Love this stuff. Love it. It's a pitch black, intense pitch black, really fun mascara. So anyway, I'm excited about that. I actually own this and love it. So that's good. So that was 10. Number 11 is a little tube here from, this is FRE. I don't know if you've heard of that. It is a purifying, it says Purify Me Hydrating Facial Cleanser. So it's just a small cleanser, travel size, whatever. So haven't heard of that brand. Let me know if you have and like it. So that's number 11, and we're going to go to number 12 here, which is another tube. This is a blowout cream from Sutra Beauty. It's a heat guard, so it's just a protection for your hair before you blow it out. So there's that. And 13 we have, and this is from Mario Badescu Skincare, and this is a great brand right now. This is a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I like that. I like the size of it. It's got kind of a little peachy pink color to it. So that's exciting. So that's number 13. 14, we have a big one right here. And this looks like it's a foot mask. Okay, this is the lovely candy cane. It's from Tony Moly. I'm Lovely Candy Cane Foot Mask. So great, great. I'm going to have a little spa day. I got my hands and my feet. I've got a good exfoliant for the face. I'm kind of excited to try all these. So anyway, there we go for number 14. Number 15 is another mask of some kind. This is the Glow Factor Rose Hip Seed Oil Hydrating Face Sheet Mask from Diana Madison Beauty. Haven't heard of her. So there's that. 16, we've got, I'm not a huge fan of these. Some people really like them. I don't know why. I think it's just I'm used to using serum out of a bottle, but these are the little, now I'm not sure. It's retinol, and it's from Elizabeth Arden. So these are retinol serum. You just open the capsule. These look really nice. So I actually think I might use those. Retinol's good too for me. So anyway, I'll try those. So that was 16. 17, we've got, okay, we have another perfume in 17. This doesn't even look like it's full here. This is from Libre. It's just the Libre, Libre perfume sample. So nothing spectacular, although am into perfumes. So I'm kind of excited to try these. I think there's going to be some more coming up in here too. So anyway, there's that. So number 18 is, we got Butter. This is a revitalizing cream right there. And really small sample in there, but anyway, something to try, I guess. So there's 18. 19, we have something from Stila. Not sure how that's pronounced exactly, but this is their eyeliner. So it's once again just a small, but let's see here. So it is, okay, I like it. I like the feel of it. So they're known for their eyeliners. So this is kind of a fun thing to get. So that was 19. 20, we've got something from, what is this, Amazing Grace? Amazing Grace. What is it going to be? Is this just from Philosophy? Is the end at all comes down to one word, grace. Okay, this is affirming body emulsion. So it's like a body cream. There we go. I'm going to see if it has a smell to it. Okay, it is sealed, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it sealed. But anyway, I have heard this and seen this, so I really wanted to try it. So I'm kind of excited about that. And I do love that word. So there we go. Anyway, let's see. That was 2021. We've got, looks like we've got a box here, and this is from Shiseido, and this is Vital Perfection. It's a firming advanced cream, and I'm kind of excited about that. It is a good brand, high-end brand. So there's the box and there's the bottle. So we got that. And so I'm going to put that in there. And so 22 is from Clinique. This is a moisture surge. This is the auto replenishing hydrator. So it's, oh, like that. It's kind of like a water bomb or whatever hydrator. So I like that. So my face will drink that up. And so that's 22. 23 is, oh, this is fun. This is from Coach. This is their Love perfume. And we got a little bit bigger sample. This is a cute little bottle. Look at that. How cute is that? So I'm excited about that. So anyway, it's always fun. I love the little bottles. So, and there's quite a bit in there. So anyway, that was a fun one. I'm here for the perfumes, I'm telling you. So 23, 24 is from Lancome, and it is Genifique Advanced. I've heard of this. It's supposed to be really great. This is a, what is it? It's a concentrate, youth activating concentrate. Okay, I've heard of this. Definitely going to try it. So that's kind of fun. So that's a 24 and we're down to 25. Do you think they're going to put something good in 25? I'm seeing it and I think I might like it. We've got another perfume, but this is a larger size. This is the Good Girl Blush. Oh my gosh, I've smelled this and love it. So I'm really excited about it. I'm hoping it's the shoe, the little shoe. It is. Oh my gosh. So how fun is that? Look at that. Okay, this is so cute. It's just the stiletto and comes off here. Ah, it smells delicious. So anyway, that's really fun. That was a fun way to end. So that was day 25. 25 days. For me, it's probably worth $50. I would never pay the $100 for it, but they had it on sale, so I thought I'd go for it. Lots of fun samples. There's lots of perfume samples. I love these cute bottles here. Just fabulous brands. All kinds of foot masks, hand masks. Anyway, some fun things. So you could have a little spa day with all this stuff. So that's it for the 25 days of beauty from Macys. And let me know what you think. What do you think? Is it something you'd be interested in trying? The different samples and whatnot. Let me know. And thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love if you'd subscribe, hit the like button. Follow me, do those things to support my channel if you wish, and we will see you guys next time. All right, friends, bye-bye.